Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are in Dollar General. I stopped in this Dollar General real quick because they have just gotten in their paper products, and I wanted to see if I could do a real quick $5 challenge as well. So that's what we're going to get into in this video, is the $5 challenge. Y'all will not believe what I have finally found. I could not find any of these, but we finally found some. So y'all know we're going to grab one of these in today's challenge. We got the Snuggle linen starter kit. These are $3, but we are going to use a $3 off digital coupon, making this baby absolutely free. Okay, y'all, so now I'm on the $1 deal aisle. I came over here to see if they had some Lysol by chance, and they do not. So what I'm going to do, since I'm already over here, is grab one of these little baby Gains. So with the Gain, I saw a couple of you guys say that your Gain is not free at your store. You want to make sure you get the right one. So let me show you the barcode on this, because this is the one, and you can scan this with your app. You could just take a screenshot and scan it. That will work. If it does not have this barcode, unfortunately it won't work. The ones that are scented won't work, but that little baby right there is free 99 with our $1 off digital coupon. So we're gonna grab that as another free item in our deal. Then I'm gonna get one of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. So this looks like they've redone the packaging, but this is $1 as well. I'm gonna use our 50-cent off digital coupon, making that only 50 cents. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a bottle of Gain liquid laundry detergent. You could also get some of the Tide. It'll come out to the same price. I've been buying a lot of Tide lately, so today I'm going to grab some Gain. These are on sale for $3.95. I'm going to use the $1 off digital, making it only $2.95. Next up, I'm going to grab one of these double pack toothbrushes. So these are $3 regular price, but we have a $2 off digital coupon, making this 2-pack only $1. All right, you guys, so y'all won't believe it, but it's actually the second day. So I got put out of the store last night. I couldn't finish up my $5 challenge, or my any challenge for that matter. I had to hurry up and check out because I forgot about these new hours and these stores closing earlier. So I am back the next day on my lunch break, and I am going to finish up the deals. So I decided to switch up this video a little bit. We're going to do our normal $5 challenge, so I will get back to that in just a second. But we're also going to do a $10 challenge. And this $10 challenge was inspired by my girl. I will put her name up on the screen, but she came up with this deal. And this deal is really not a low out-of-pocket deal, but it's an all-digital scenario. If your stores are like my stores, where they are getting their shipments in the middle of the week and they may be out of paper products come Saturday, you want to go ahead and grab a few while they have them on the shelves. This is an all-digital deal that you can do to get the best deal. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to grab, and I know this is pricey, y'all, but this is the good stuff, is one of the Bounty paper towels at $6.95. So we're going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. Then we're going to grab one of these Charmin Essentials right here. So these are $5. So we're going to use, once again, our $1 off one digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab a 34-count dryer sheets. These are $2. I'm going to use the $1 off one digital coupon. I am also going to grab a Tide Simply Pods. These are $2.95. We're going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. And then as our final item in this deal, so this is going to be our P&G deal, we are going to grab one of these Downies for $4.50, and we are going to use our $1 off one digital coupon. Since I am going to use a different account today on day number 2, I'm also going to grab another one of these Snuggles for free 99. I'm going to use that $3 digital coupon, and I'm going to grab one of these Airwick refill warmer units for $1.65, and for that I am going to use my $1.50 off one digital coupon. All right, you guys. So this is my complete $10 challenge. So let me explain what we're doing here. So you may have seen in the sales ad, we had a promotion for select P&G products. If you spend $15 after coupons, you will get back a $5 coupon that you can use on your next purchase. And unfortunately, that price does have to be after coupons. So what I have done here is collected $15 worth, just as my girl did. You can follow her on Instagram of P&G products, and then I just added in a couple cheap items as well to fill out our deal a little bit. So my total for all of these items is going to be $15.55, including the Renews It and the Airwick, which are optional. You do not have to get those as a part of the deal. You just want to make sure that you have the $15 worth P&G. So I have my Bounty at $6.95 with the $1 off digital coupon. I have my Charmin at $5 with the $1 off digital coupon. I have my Airwick at $1.65 with the $1.50 digital coupon. My Downy at $4.50 with the $1 off digital coupon. My Snuggle at $3 with the $3 digital coupon. My Gain at 34 count dryer sheets, those are $2. $1 digital coupon, and then I have my Tide, $2.95, $2 digital coupon. So once again, we should pay $15 for these items, but we're going to get back $5 that we can use on anything in the store, making the final cost for this whole bundle only $10, which is really not bad, you guys, because the Bounty alone is $6.95. Y'all know Bounty is expensive. So let's go check out and see if we get our $5 coupon, and then we'll see if there's anything we want to use that $5 on. All right, you guys, so I am back at home and I'm finally off of work so I can finish filming this video. So let's talk about our two deals real quick. So the baby $5 challenge that we did over here, I didn't even get to finish it last night because like I said, it was time for the store to close. So this only ended up costing me $4 instead of $5. So we were able to secure all 5 of these items for $4.45. So I got my Gain fabric softener, my free Snuggle, and my Lysol, and my double pack of toothbrushes. So let me show you the breakdown on that. So let me show you my receipt for that little deal. This is my free Snuggle. There is my Gain for free with the $1 digital. There's my Lysol for 50 cents. There is my Gain liquid laundry detergent for $2.95. And then there is my double pack of toothbrushes that came out to $1. Subtotal came out to $4.45, and we had a total savings of $7.50 on those 5 items. So just a little easy peasy all digital deal. If you are on a low budget, you got $5 to work with, you can make it happen and grab you some stuff to get through the week with that. Now let's move over to our Big Daddy deal and talk about that. So once again, the reason I feel like this deal is a good deal is because, as you guys are well aware, paper products are much harder to come by now in some locations. So a lot of you guys feel like, oh my gosh, my store is not stocking paper products. But they are, but your timing is off. So you're getting to the store on the weekend, but the paper products have already been stocked during the week on a truck day and they're already gone. So if you are able to get to the store during the week and get your paper products on a truck day, I want you to have a deal that's available to you where you can still get some good savings and get your household stocked up with these essential items. Another thing that's really important to note about this P&G deal is it is temperamental. So make sure that you grab the same items that I have grabbed in this deal if you want to make sure that your $5 coupon prints. This is not a deal where you can just go in and just freestyle with like any random P&G product. You can't be like, oh, I'm going to get some Crest and I'm going to get some Dawn and this is going to print. Does not work that way. It's very temperamental. So grab these items or grab items if you've done this type of deal before that you know will generate that $5 coupon. If you do not get these items, I cannot guarantee that that $5 coupon is going to print. So don't be sliding in my DMs talking about, well, I just switched it up a little bit and my coupon didn't come. This is not a switch up deal. This is a play it by the book deal. So here is a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out. There's everything that we purchased and all of our digital coupons did come off. Subtotal came out to $15.55. It would have been a little bit cheaper, but we did pay an additional 15 cents for the earwick, and we had a total savings of $10.50 on those 7 items. But we did get back our $5 coupon at the bottom of our receipt. So on my next purchase of $5 off, of $5 or more, I can get $5 off. So I decided to hold my $5 coupon because it does not expire until the 23rd of May. So I'm going to hold it for the best time to use it. I really want to see if I can use it on like some cleaning products, like some Lysol or some Clorox. But an easy thing that you can do with your $5 coupon, if your store does have a lot of Charmin in stock, you can take that $5 coupon and get yourself some more toilet paper with it and get it for free $99. You can get yourself some more paper towels. You can easily use it to get yourself another paper product, or you can grab some of the Glade trash bags that are on sale for $6.50. Use that $2 digital coupon, add in another item of your choice, and you can get that for free as well. So many different options that you can do, but it's $5 that's free to spend. Now, something to note about that $5 coupon is it's not going to stack with other coupon offers, so you won't be able to use that $5 coupon with a 5 off of 25 coupon on Saturday. You need to use it in a transaction by itself. So I hope these deals were helpful for you no matter what budget you're on. If you want to keep it low out of pocket, you can do that baby deal over there for $4.45 out the door. If you are balling on a budget, you can do this deal over here. Pay your $15, get that $5 back, $10 for all of these items. And even if you were to do both of these deals, you're going to spend a $20 bill, get 5 of those dollars back. This is $15 for all of these items without even having to use a 5 off of 25 and all digital coupons. That is a beautiful thing, my friends. So please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.